for that perfect party appetizer that everyone talks about for weeks afterward because it was the best finger-licking food they've ever munched? Of course you are. To give our dip an authentic popper flavor, we cook diced jalapenos and garlic until tender. Raw peppers and garlic will simply not do. Serve this flavor-amazing jalapeno popper dip and your guests will be asking you to share the recipe that made your party the most delicious stuff they've made all summer. Then we beat together cream cheese, sour cream, cheddar, and Parmesan cheese. If we were making traditional poppers, we'd use this cheese mixture to stuff the peppers. Instead, we're spreading it into a baking dish. What about that coveted crunch that fried poppers offer? We've got it covered. With breadcrumb topping, that is. Whisk together panko, butter, Parmesan, and parsley. When ready to bake, simply scatter with the breadcrumb topping and bake as directed. The cheese mixture can be made up to 3 days ahead and kept in the refrigerator. When you are ready to bake, let the cheese mixture come to room temperature for 2 hours. If you bake it straight out of the refrigerator, you'll end up burning the topping before the cheese mixture is hot. Evenly scatter it over the jalapeno cheese mixture. Slide the baking dish into the oven, and 20 minutes later, you'll have a hot jalapeno popper dip ready to impress your guests.